It's PC for free, and today we're taking a look at this. A watch from MBK California. Comes in this lovely gift bag. Slide it right on out. Inside you've got this nice case. MBK California embossed on it. Nothing else here, so I'm just going to open it up. Inside you've got this faux velvet behind here. MBK California embossed on the watch itself, secured in place by these two straps. It looks like a manual underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the watch out of here. Set that to one side. Have a look at this. The manual. Put it in several languages. Quite a little thick thing, so it's fairly detailed. And the watch itself. Got the MBK logo up top there. Nice clean face. The date. Give you a little look. So, looking at the face here, have a look at this going. It's got an automatic movement, which is lovely and smooth. You see that going around there. It's very kind of simple design on the front, which I'm a fan of. Other people have asked, not so big fans, but I think it's quite nice actually. Standard crown on the side, pop that out, change the time, standard stuff really. Other side, plain. The back, got this quite nice little feature, this open back, and you can see the movement in here, ticking away. Nice to see. Around the side you've got written automatic, MBK, all stainless steel, sapphire crystal. Don't know how you can see that, but the straps, this mesh, stainless steel. They are lovely to the touch actually, really nice things. I'm a big fan of the mesh straps. Look in here, you can see, oh, they're quick release. You've got the little releaser here, so you'll be able to pop them off, swap them around. The clasp, this end, MBK, flips open, standard clasp. Have a little pause, zoom in closer and give you some more close-ups of the watch. Just back here, closer look at the watch. See the quality of the steel, very supple. The logo, the clasp, that open movement in the back. What I will say is this is quite a thick watch, so bear that in mind. So it's quite heavy on the wrist, thicker than most I've worn before. The strap is slightly tricky to fasten sometimes, but the material of the strap itself is lovely. This has been the MBK watch. I've been PC for free. Thank you for watching.